Hi everyone, this is Miss Amber Hawkins, your go-to expert for transforming any event into an unforgettable experience. Whether you're planning a corporate event, a community gathering, an educational seminar, or just looking for a narrative voice that carries professionalism and passion, she's here to help. We all know organizing an event can be daunting. Selecting the right speaker is crucial. You need someone who not only delivers information, but does so in a way that's engaging and tailored to your audience's needs. And that's exactly what she specializes in. With her expertise, she takes complex computer, technology, and digital topics and breaks them down, making them easy and enjoyable for everyone to understand. Imagine a presentation that not only educates but also captivates your audience, leaving them inspired and ready to explore new possibilities. That's the experience she brings to the table. Her sessions are not just talks. They are immersive experiences designed to spark discussion and drive innovation. And let's talk about versatility. Whether it's a small group training, a virtual workshop, or stepping up as a panelist or keynote motivational speaker for your annual conference, she's got you covered. She tailors each presentation to fit the unique atmosphere and objectives of your event, ensuring that every participant walks away with valuable insights and a memorable experience. Now, as we head into the busy summer months, her calendar is filling up quickly, so don't wait too long. Reach out to her and discuss how your next event will not just be successful, but truly transformative. With your computer needs of Toledo LLC, who is State of Ohio, Women's Business Certified, and additionally registered on sam.gov, you're in capable hands. Remember, an event is more than just a gathering. It's a chance to inspire and be inspired. Let's make yours count. She's looking forward to bringing her passion and expertise to your next big occasion. See you soon.